Welcome to the First Time User Quick Start Guide. The IT department is excited to introduce a brand new online training module applicable to all employees of Jackson County. In the next 5 minutes, we will show you how to begin using the system quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, you need to log on to the e-learning system by going to moodle.jacksongov.org from any web browser including Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox or Safari. You are now on the e-learning front page. First of all, you want to make sure that the language is set at English, United States. If not, click the down arrow and select the first option to ensure proper display of words. Also, be sure to have the latest Adobe Flash Player and QuickTime Player installed in your system for optimal learning experience. OK, to log in, either click Log In from the upper corner, or the Login Now button in the middle, or down here. Click it once, and you are now on the Log On screen. Note that the username and password you use here are the same as you used to signing on to the Jackson County network at your computers. For example, if your name is John Doe, you will type in your first initial and last name, JDOE. The password will be the same as you use currently, then click Login. This is your home page. Notice that the name John Doe is now appearing here, and here. That means you are logged in successfully. Also, there are two home buttons, one on your top left-hand corner, and one on the bottom. These buttons appear on every page within the system. You can click on either one of those buttons at any time to return to your home page. Now let's talk about some of the components or blocks that are on your home page. Here you have a course categories block, a navigation block on the right, a messages block. Note, if your supervisor or site administrator send you a message, you will see it here. A settings block. This is where you can edit your profile. And an online users block, which shows who is in the training module at the moment, and it is updated every 5 minutes. Now when you logged into your home page for the first time, on your course categories block, options are shown here to browse by topics, browse by departments, or browse by applications, as well as all courses at the bottom. But as you are enrolled into more courses, this area will show only a list of courses that you have enrolled in, so if you want to browse for more courses in the future, you would just click on all courses here at the bottom to browse for more courses. But for now, we will go ahead and click on Browse by Departments to look up a course. Next, find your department and click on it. Now click on a course from the list you see here. You are now on the department's front page. Note that if you see an open door icon, that means it is an elective course available for open self-enrollment. But if you see a locked door icon, it means that it is a mandatory course that contains sensitive or department-specific information. Your progress will be tracked on all locked door courses to ensure completion. OK, so let's select the IT Security Policy Awareness course. Since this is a locked door course, an enrollment key is required. So you would need to enter the key here, then click Enroll Me, and you are now enrolled. This is the course main menu. Begin your lesson by clicking on Lesson 1. You are now on the lesson page. Up in this corner, shows the section that you are currently on. Here is the content area, then you have your navigation bars down here, and the lesson menu here on your right. Now, the lesson menu is handy because it allows easy tracking of where you are within the lesson. For example, say you are taking an elective course, and you need to learn a specific task but you don't want to go through the entire lesson, you can simply go to the lesson menu, choose a topic, access the information quickly and exit the lesson. Note if you ever see this listen icon in audio bar, it means audio narration is available. Click on the play button on the audio bar to start listening. The audio bar also has a fast-forward control slider and a volume control slider for your convenience. Next, we have the navigation bars on the bottom of every lesson page, which allow you to move forward or backward a page, or exit the lesson. Click here if you need to exit the lesson immediately. Finally, to log out, simply click the Log Out button either from over here, or here. So that's it. We hope you will find this quick start guide helpful to you. Happy learning!